Hello, welcome to Palawan with Tita channel. My name is Evelyn. Today we will make chicken steak. So we're gonna cook this one in very simple procedures. Thank you very much. Let's start. We will start to crush the garlic. After this, we will marinate the chicken. I will use fresh lemon, a chicken seasoning powder, black pepper, and I'm gonna use a shake up of salt. And the soy sauce, any brand you can use, and I will use as well with the oyster sauce, any brand that you can use for marinade. Use the chicken thigh, 1 kilo. I debone already, so this is the good part for me with the chicken because I kept the skin to make juicy our chicken steak. Palawan Bitita version. So we will start to marinate. We'll start. So we'll start for the ingredients of this seasoning to marinate our chicken steak. Garlic. I'm gonna keep the skin of the garlic for adding flavor. I'm gonna add fresh lemon. For now, I'm gonna use only one because it's a bit juicy and big cut. I will add the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. I'm gonna put the 2 tablespoons at least because this is the serving spoon. Just for adding flavor, guys. Leave it there. And then whole black pepper. Give a shake. I think that's enough. And shake up of our salt. And with our chicken seasoning. Just little drop or powder or shake up with this seasoning, and we will mix the liquid ingredients. Very simple chicken steak, my version, so it's up to you guys if you feel like it to follow this kind of cooking recipe. Very simple. And now I'm gonna put the chicken. And this is my way. I'm gonna switch with the chicken. And then I will pour this one, the liquid ingredients, and then leave it there. So just like this. Very simple. Just give a mix. At least we can marinate this one before cooking 1 hour. Or if you're in a hurry, it's up to you as long as you got lovely liquid seasoning been mixed. Just like that, and we will turn over each later. But for me, I'm gonna leave it all night. This is for tomorrow. So I made a plan for today. Just like this, guys. Oh my god, this is a very nice and yummy texture tomorrow. So that's it. I got 4 thigh that I debone, and this is the result, guys. Very simple, isn't it? And just like this. Ta-da! See? It's done. Yeah? Pretty look at that. So guys, we will set aside this one and keep in the fridge for our marination. So I'm gonna cover like that and keep in the fridge. Guys, we start cooking. So this is my marinade meat for our chicken steak, and I'm gonna drop the oil just to light fry the onion. Time to light fry the onion. I think this is enough for our toppings later. Now the next one, I'm gonna add a little drop of cooking oil as well. I'm gonna light fry as well the marinated chicken. Chicken. Okay. So this one, guys, I marinate all night. Let it simmer at least 3 minutes. Lovely and juicy, guys. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do now, I will add the juice from the marinade. Look, it's not much. So all the flavor is already here. I'm gonna put the lid on. And let simmer at least. We'll check after 5 minutes. Wow, it smells nice. So we will turn over again, guys. Just cooking it with a medium heat until the juice will reduce. Yeah, just leave it like this, and I'll leave the lid open, just a little bit on the side open. That's it. Guys, I'm gonna check now. Wow, almost. Look at the reduce, it's already gone. But what I'm gonna do, I don't have any additional ingredients for this cooking because the taste is when I soak it and marinate all night. Everything is already there. So what we're gonna do is turn over, last one to turn over the chicken, and then we will add the onion that we light fried before. So just like this, my chicken steak. It's so simple, guys. Very simple cooking, and you can follow easily. So if you feel happy to follow this kind of recipe, you can visit Palawan Tita channel, Simple Cooking. So I'm gonna add now the onion. Just like that, and ready to serve. If you feel happy, you can fried garlic or flakes of chili. So it's up to you guys. How do you feel like for this cooking? You can top up anything what you want. Palawan Petita channel. Thank you very much.